The Great Christmas Tree Adventure. It was a chilly Saturday morning when Timmy and his little sister, Lucy, decided it was finally time to find the perfect Christmas tree. Their mom had promised them that hot chocolate and chocolate chip pan cookies awaited them at home, but only if they found a tree before sunset. The excitement buzzed through the air like the last-minute sales on Black Friday. With their trusty old red truck, Rudolph, they set off to the local Christmas tree farm. As they drove past glittering lights and festive decorations, they giggled about how their last tree had looked more like a lopsided cactus than a Christmas tree. Upon arriving, they spotted trees of every shape and size. Timmy, in all his wisdom, decided they should go for the biggest tree they could find. So they rolled up to a tree that was so tall, it seemed to be waving at the clouds. They tied it to the roof of Rudolph and staggered back, feeling victorious. But as they drove home, the tree wobbled so much that it knocked over a snowman in their neighbor's yard, and all the neighbor's Christmas decorations. Lucy burst out laughing, and all Timmy could think about was how much he hoped that the tree would look magnificent in their living room. All they wanted was to enjoy those delicious cookies and hot chocolate, but first, they had to get that tree inside. After a hilarious struggle of dragging the giant tree inside and nearly knocking over a lamp, they finally managed to set it up. Just as they stepped back to admire their hard work, Timmy's dad burst in with a tray of fresh chocolate chip pan cookies. "Let's decorate this beauty," he said, and at that moment, no one cared about the trampled snowman. All that mattered was the sweet taste of Christmas in the air. Let's see how the chocolate chip pan cookies were made.